I'd like to thank Legacy Awards, everybody who decided that I should be awarded. Such a wonderful thing for me and my family. Alam niyo po, the songs that I recorded in the 70s, like Mamang Sorbetero, I recorded that in 1979. And then until today, I hear it being sung by so many people, and they know the lyrics, and it just fills my heart with so much joy. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Filipino people for enjoying the music that I was gifted with by the many composers and writers of the Philippines, like my husband, who wrote Saranggola ni Pepe, and Joe Marichan, who wrote Mamang Sorbetero. And the song that I sang earlier, Gaano Ko Ikaw Kamahal, by our national artists, Hernani Cuenco and Levi Celerio. So nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng napakagagaling ng mga Pilipinong manlilikha. Kung wala sila, wala akong maaawit para sa inyong lahat. So hanggang sa the last moment of my life, I will remember the Filipino people love the music that I sang for them. Thank you very much.